Okay, so we have taken all the possibilities. Okay, now it started getting highlighted. Hiring, okay, Kotlin experts, hiring. So let's go with simple. 2 years or 3 years or 4 years, EXP or experience. Refresh. So made it to a very simple search and it's giving us a better results. So if you see some of the results coming in as a hiring, we can always exclude that. Just give not hiring and that's it. It will get excluded. So additionally, how we have given this part, we'll copy again. Additional refinement. 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. Uh, 8 years. 5 to 8. Okay, give the priority to this one. Okay, so n number of refinements we can give in a backend, and that will be not counting as a part of a keyword when we give a search in a front end. Here again we can give 32 keywords, but otherwise these filters are again given in a backend, and these are not counting as a part of a keyword which we would be able to give over here. So that's the beauty of our custom search engines. And more we create, more we give the filters, by default it will start giving us a proper results. So let's suppose if you're creating some of the open-ended, result sorting, relevance and date, web search settings. This we don't really have to get into. So resumes could be of any of the size. When I say more open-ended, something like hire me. This I'm still building, trying to see if we can get the results from the various sites. I've not yet arrived yet, but I'm still building this one. But yeah, we could get still a good enough number of results of resumes from the various sites. Okay, so here we come about the refinements. Look and feel, if you want to give a proper look and feel to the website, I suggest use a default format. That's the best one, but otherwise we can always change look and feel. And then the color part, theme, customizing. So this and all is just the additional features. We can give logo, search boxes, search buttons. But the main feature here while creating a Google custom search engines is about targeting a particular site, naming it, then identifying the various URLs which could give us the right results. Once we come to the, once we identify the right set of URLs to get the right set of results, we go with the search features. And again, under the search features, refinements. Any other refinement you would like to give? So we have given profiles, email IDs, software engineering titles, GitHub resumes, experiences 2 to 4, 5 to 8, anything else. So let's view some of the profiles again and refine our searches. So whichever the site, we just need to understand their URL pattern and we'll be able to create so custom search engines for those sites. So for Stack Exchange, we have a proper URL pattern. So that's the reason we were able to see a proper URL of guys, of individual profiles. So here we have web results and the images. From here itself, we can enable image search on. So now we have web and image. So this we can also call it as a visual search.
I think it is much better where we can also track them on alternate platforms.
Yeah. Any doubts? Sanchari, Priyanka?
No, Shiva.
So now,
It's easy, means
yeah,
so earlier we also had an option to remove those ads. So if you see in some of the CSCs, I've already removed ads, but now that option I'm not able to see. So now we have done search entire web. Now let's see how does it differs. So now it's searching from the entire web. It has become more open-ended now. Now it's taking those keywords, but from the entire web. So this might not require. So when we're trying to give a more open-ended search, that time we might use the entire web, but for now, not yet. As I mentioned, the entire web we are yet to explore. Not this one, which is this.
Hi Shiva, there was a mention about region.
What? Is it a problem
Region.
with me that I'm not able to hear a voice, or it's with everyone?
No, no, it's
No,
very
no, it
low
is.
actually. It is
Huh.
low.
Yeah, tell me.
Under the refinements here, yes, there is an option called region. Yes,
Which one? This
yes,
one,
the
right?
region. Yes, yes, this region.
Yeah, we can add that particular region. So here
So
it
it will
was the
show
one.
only for that country.
Yeah. If you add only India, then it will Google will try to identify documents created from the Indian region based on the IP and all, and it will give us the results only of India. So there are still some of the URL pattern which are non-existing. Earlier these were existing, but now again it shows as non-existing URL pattern. And from these only we were able to create that open web search. Let's search. Now for these we can see search entire web. Now it's searching entire web and it's giving us some of the irrelevant results from Naukri. So like Naukri.com, Times.com, Monster.com, we just say exclude. So now till now we have gone with include, sites to exclude. Star dot. Now let's see how does it look like. So there's too much of work behind still involved, and I'm yet to explore, but that's how the exploration happens. I'm just showing you the process. So either we keep on excluding this thing, or we just go and we say don't search the entire web. And give us the results of only those particular URL patterns. Now in this part, we can also go to advanced, not here, search features. We can also add synonyms. For resume, we have given a various synonyms. We can add up to 10 synonyms like this. Also, I was actually working on uploading XML, but this is not allowing me. While creating one of the search engine for diversity searches, but this is still not allowing. Otherwise, we were we can upload actually 500 names. Means 500 keywords basically. You'll have to upload an XML file. So this I'll cover in another session of which is focused only on diversity sourcing. But till then, this is not allowing me. I'm not able to. I will have to figure it out how to do that. But otherwise, the beauty of this XML file is here we can give only 10 keywords, 10 keywords or in a combination of synonyms, 10 words with the 10 synonym words. But wherein if we use this XML file, then we can actually give 500 synonyms for each word. So the idea for the diversity sourcing was just give female as a keyword, like search term, female, and synonyms of female are first 500 Indian diversity names. So like if you see here from the various sites, I've scraped a data of 2000 plus female names. And we have created some of the interesting project where we were able to map 90,000 plus profile all over India of software engineers. So this I'll explore soon to the public also, but I need the other way to explore it, to present it. I can't present it on LinkedIn Recruiter, but in LinkedIn.com as well, how we can take a use of those all the names in a free version, that I'm trying to figure it out. And definitely custom search engine is the one which will help us in figuring it out once this XML file is allowing us to upload. But till then, I'll keep on doing the research. Once it is done, I'll let you know. So here we have given a search features. So as I mentioned, for each term, we have a synonyms also. You just have to go to the search features, promotions, you remove. Don't worry about the promotion. So I think maybe this one, promotion of. So this thing has come, advertise. So now let's see. Okay. Now that ad has gone. Yeah. So just come to the promotion and enable it. Refinement. We have covered what refinement is. Autocomplete. This will actually enable so this basically enables as we type here, it will keep on giving us the suggestions, what all the additional words we want user to get it, but that's actually not required. Something like while in a Google, while we're searching theaters near me or restaurants near me, it keeps on auto completing. So that is what is the autocomplete. So here we can customize a set of keywords or set of words. Only those particular keywords or only those particular set of words will be keep on popping up. Like if I type Java, so additional here, whatever the words we give, resume, CV or XYZ, those words keep on popping up. Java resumes in Bangalore, Java CVs in Bangalore, like that. And here we have a synonyms where for resume we have given a various synonyms. And then advanced, just leave as it is. We don't really have to get into. So again, coming back to setup. So here, if we see, only 3 were accepted, but still, we went ahead and given additional URLs also, though it was not accepted. Earlier it was right, but now it has become cross, but still it's working out. We have a results where in URL we have a resumes, wordpress.com/resumes or resumes or anything. So this is of more open-ended. You can also sort by date or location, but there are a lot of different types of URL which are yet to be entered in a backend. As we identify, we can keep on entering. So it's kind of a long-term practice. But once it is built, once it is concrete, it is concrete. So we may also give additional features here, like refinements we have given 2 to 4 years, 5 to 10 years. All the refinements we can give you here. It's not given yet, but yeah, that's how it is. Some online profiles, we don't even know about what kind of sites are those. Okay. Are we good?
Yes.
Any questions? So is it easy or hard, or how do you feel about it? So I would suggest explore it, and definitely you'll be really excited to see what kind of a result it starts giving over a period of time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Requires a lot of practice.
Yeah, it requires. It's not the thing which can be, which I can show you completely or make you perfect within 1 or 2 hours of time. It basically needs a lot of background work. Keep on researching, then keep on changing the keywords in a backend, as we keep on changing in this last 2 hours of session. But this is kind of a one-time and of time ongoing effort. Initial setup is one time, and as we see the behavior of the results, keep on changing those things in a backend, and over a period of 1 week, 2 weeks, or maximum 1 month, we'll have some of the good custom search engines created. And that's how this I've created over a period of time, I would say. So all the results from the visual CV. So recently, I posted in a group like how to find the startups. So maybe one particular link, we can also one particular custom search engine, not just for the profile, but we can create a search engine for companies firing or startups to basically target. Google for Jobs, COVID out India. These are still ongoing, like Indian fired, layoff, laid off, laid off, terminated, termination, pay cut, pink slip, and COVID pandemic. So it's still taking from the various webs, majorly from the LinkedIn. But yeah, I'm still yet to explore this. Here I just give the LinkedIn part. Finding the jobs, go without Google for jobs, whole web. So a lot of things we can explore. All right.
Yes.
Let me know in case if any doubts.
Sure.
Yeah, please ask in case if any doubts I'm asking.
No, that's what I'm saying. That once we start exploring is when the doubts are gonna come up.
Yeah, I'm sure.
That's when whether it will work, it will not work, which one
Yeah,
is
to and fro, it's
bigger,
always there.
better. Yeah.
So just go to google.com/CSE, new custom search engine. Create. Once it get created, edit search engine, come to setup. Now you give what all the URLs we need to include, what all the URL patterns we need to exclude. So this is the recent one. And these are the exclusions. Then we go for a search features. We go for refinements. Mail experience, mobile number, looking for job. So here looking for change, looking for opportunities, seeking opportunities, currently seeking, such kind of keywords. Email B, mobile number, experiences. Again, sick daughter, 15 years. Now we just go setup. People who are actually looking for. Hello? Yeah?
Aisha, I think your voice is muted.
Oh, sorry, I was on mute. So 55531. 55531, yeah, this one. All right. So recently I had one of requirement. Actually looking for, because in backend we have given such kind of a keywords. All right.
Yes, Shiva.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Let me know if any of the
Thanks, Shiva.
doubts. Yeah. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Thank you.